Hi everyone, welcome to Educon community. So we have already covered the identifier in the previous series, and now we will discuss about the reserved words related interview questions. So the first one is what are the reserved words? So any programming language reserves some words to represent some functionalities defined by that particular language, and these kind of words are called as the reserved words. So it consists of two things. First one is like keywords and another one is literals. Next question is like how many keywords are there in Java? So for defining some functionalities, there are around 58 keywords in Java, which includes data types, then modifiers and keywords related to the flow control and many more are there. Next is what are the unused keywords? So in Java, there are two unused keywords are there mainly, like goto and const. Those are already reserved by Java, but have not used till now. Right. So next question is, can we use the predefined class name as an identifier? So yes, we can use the predefined class name as identifier, like string. This string is the class name, right? So we can take it as identifier, but we cannot use the reserved words as an identifier. So reserved words like final or something like that. So those we cannot take as the identifier, but we can use the predefined class name as identifier. But it is not recommended because through this it reduces the readability and creates some complexity in code. So next question is like explain the var keyword in Java. So var is a keyword which is added in Java 10 basically, and which allows us to declare a variable without defining their type. So like string str equals to my string. So this is the string type, but we can also write it as var str. So here we have not defined any proper data type. We only use the var, but it will be identified as a string as we are written like that. Also, we can use like var I equals to 10. It will be easily identified that it will be integer, but it's not recommended because during the debugging, it will be hard to identify the data type there. But yeah, we can use that. Now, is null a keyword? No, null is not a keyword. It is basically literal. So the next question is what are literals? So literals are the constant values which can be assigned to the variable. For example, like string a is equals to Educon community, and here Educon community is a literal. So this is like constant value. So we can assign this to the variable s here. So Java mainly provides three literals which are null, true, and false. And there are many types of literals like here I have attached. So first one is like integral literals. So for byte, short, int, long. These are the integral literals. Next one is floating point literals, mainly float and double. These two are floating point literals. Next is char literals for char. Next, string literals for strings. Next, Boolean literals, which are basically true and false. Okay, so these are the questions which I have identified for reserved words. So if you have any other questions related to this reserved words which are asked during interviews, so we can also attach. So if you have any other questions related to these reserved words, you can just comment down, and those things also we can discuss later. So till now, stay tuned, and next you will discuss about data types. Thank you everyone.